This is the Game Boy. Yeah. This is Game Boy that give of our cousin to us brothers. So yun yan. This is the original casing, but we bought another new casing. We installed it, and we bought another battery, and this is the original. We replaced it with the class A battery, and we also buy a new charger cord, and this is the old case. This is a 12 years old Game Boy, the nostalgic one. Yeah. But this is now new. And this is Lobot. This is the legendary game, but we also upgrade this screen because there are, yeah, did you see that the screen, we brought another, and the speaker is old. Did you hear that? No sound. So a simple gameplay. Oh, the classic hang. So the solution is just off and on. Yeah. Ting. The nostalgic feeling. We restart it by of my brother. This is a 12-year-old Game Boy. Yes. Oh. But the solution is, yes. Did you know that? Hey. Bala is Game Boy Dragon Boost Free. This is original Nintendo. Made in Japan. But the casing is class A. Class A ano. So let's, yeah. I taught in English because our viewer is from another country. I cannot express my my thought in English. Single player, but the console, the bala, ano gani? Oh, it's already broken. And another, this is the, what do you call this, man? Bala. Nalipat ako kung ano yung panawag mo. We have Tekken, Spider Amazing 3, Justice League, Sonic 3, Ghost Rider. Ay, the city. It's already broken. Sorry guys. That's the end of our okay, thank you.